So let me show you how to share your location with any contact on your iPhone. So let's go and find the contacts list, and then I'm going to look for a specific contact that I want to share my location with. So what you need to do is tap on messages to open up the message conversation, and then tap on the plus symbol on the left hand side and then select location. Now, once you select location, you can see that you can choose, it's going to automatically pick your current location, and then you can choose send pin, and that's going to share your location with that particular contact. Now, you can also share your location using other services. So for instance, you can go and use WhatsApp to send your location, or you can open a third-party app like Google Maps and then share the location. So for instance, if I come here, this is my location, I can tap on it and then tap on share location, and then I can share that location with any of these users. So in fact, if I tap on more options, I can choose to share with messages, email, I can choose WhatsApp, I can use Gmail, I can use Signal, Snapchat, all these services I can use to share my location. So there are plenty of ways to do that, and that this is just some of the few ways you can share your location from your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching and good luck.